What is up, everyone? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let me share a screen here. What are we doing? Uh, where is my screen there? All right. How's everyone doing? All right. Let's make this a little bit bigger. What is this? Why does this look different on my side? I'm not doing a whole lot here. This is a interesting scenario. Kind of just looking around, seeing what's going on. I need to get some music going. How's everyone doing? First off. Everybody have a good weekend. Father's Day. I got long at the Open last night. Blowbacks. Normally I have short blowbacks, but I long the Open last night, so here I am. We did have some contract roles on most things, so I'm kind of getting updated on those. That's really what I'm working on here at the Open. We have a gap. It's a pretty big one. I don't think that gap's gonna fill. I don't think we want to try to fill that gap. Let me update this real fast. 0.58. Maybe we fill it. All right, let's get fired up here. What's up, Doug? Good morning, and thank you. Welcome in, everyone. We're chilling in a little bit here on Monday morning. There was a Meta news story out this morning. Meta's found a way to they're basically found a way to monetize their what do you call it? Their WhatsApp, which I know a lot of you probably don't use WhatsApp a whole lot. WhatsApp is huge, and they basically found a way to make more money off of subscription type of tiers. Let's say tiers. Just drawing some stuff out here on these new contract charts. IWM's coming down. I kind of want to short. Oh man, what are we doing? I kind of want to short. Let me get fired up here and see what's going on. Let's see if we can make some money today. I'm not really super interested just yet. What's up, Gambling Bear? Oh, okay. What long? It's because we gap down, so we had a gap fill. So not only do we have a gap fill, but look at this. Look, we opened right here, and I had this 550 level, which was the same. Look over here. You see this? It was the same level. So not only did we had a gap up here, but we opened right on that. ES was even cleaner. This 49. So I have like 2 layers of confluence, 2 levels right here, and you see all this from the other night. This is look where our opening candle was right on this. So I got long looking for this gap fill. I took everything off, and then I tried a short on NQ actually. I was shorting in this area right here, and it only came back to here, and I get a little trim, and I got stopped out back there, and called it a night. A pretty big opening candle range here. OP King, haven't traded in 2 weeks. What have you been doing, brother? Working hard. Working hard or hardly working, as they say. Yeah, I'm just hanging out here, honestly. I want to buy some more ball. I really want to short it, but I can't just yet. It's a little too frothy still. I really want to try the short right here. For AMD. I'm just gonna hang out for a second. It's probably the short I wanted, but I just don't like what previous day high broken. Yeah, I just don't have a whole lot of its little double top on SPY. Yep, yep. I should have taken that short. Yeah, still hanging in here pretty strong. Apple's a little weak. Yeah, we just came back out of the MA9 here and held. There's some kind of headline coming out. Looks like the EU trade chief is going to meet the U.S. Trade Representative Greer at the G7. That's what this pop's coming from. Other than that, all right. I'm really tempted. This is R1 up here. I'm really tempted to short here. But ES is all the way up. I'm leaving the contract on here because I know these levels better, but I'm trading the contract. I'm really gonna get short. We have this gap that we never filled from Friday. Just sitting out right now. Drink my coffee. I think that's pretty solid right here. Honestly, as much as like I wanted to hammer a short, I just can't do anything here. Yeah. Let it in short. Previously high. We have way too many lines here. That the one that you short though? Iran signals it wants to de-escalate hostilities with Israel. That's your headline. gold and oil are dropping like a rock on that headline. Super bullish. All those fears of war are just gone. All right, we fill a gap on QQQ. SPY, we still have it up to here. I've done nothing. I don't have anything to go off of. Everything that's going to be bullish so far on the day. We're super overextended. Yeah. I got nothing I can do here. Sit on the old hands, KD. What's up, brother? Which ES are you on? The new one? I mean, I guess it could short here against this, but yeah, I mean, there's not a peace deal going on, but there is this positive comment coming out of Iran. What are they? It's Wall Street Journal that's reporting this too, so who knows? Just let it extend. Like a gold creation. Video looks like it's gonna be a breakout. I'm trying to find some type of conflict here. This might be a slow stream, guys. I'm just chilling. I mean, we're ripping. It's the same box I had the other day. I know it's not fun, but sitting here doing nothing is more important than doing much sometimes. I mean, these EMAs are vertical. There should be a short soon, but I don't want to fight positive news, you know? I really don't have a whole lot to go off of right here. Guys, you'll probably see me scrolling. I'm looking for something to do here. I don't have anything. First shot, I mean, we don't have any like other news or anything today. The positive headline just came out. Just... There's a decent amount of volume behind this move. Trying to get a little red 15-minute candle here, a little shooting star. Look at that box I had drawn. I drew this box forever ago. You know, that's one of the hardest things to do is nothing. Because your risk reward if you long up here is just awful. It's awful. If you're trying to short this, you have no confirmation of the short. You're kind of no man's land. The only thing that you could really short is a pull back to EMAs like here. I don't know that you're going to get that big of a pull, but hey, you may the way that this ripped. A lot of times we see news. Yep, see, look at that new high. Yeah. Only thing I could do is, what do we have? 15 minutes? All right. There's a report out. Israel warplanes may strike at Iranian state TV in Tehran. I mean, I guess that's our other potential reversal of this news is if Israel's like, let's go for the throat. Just doing nothing. There's nothing to do. I was looking through, trying to hedge my portfolio a little bit. The 60-50 is a big level. This might could try something here. I don't see anything like weak. I think this is like euphoria to short. Right here, maybe. I kind of like it on ES a little bit better. You just took out this high right here, though. Right there. I think you could short here. Let's try a really light one. Yeah, I'm trying to short here. All right, I'm short on NQU. All right, let's see what happens here. I'm gonna put it on this this one as well so you can see it. I want like 77 points if possible. All right. It may need to extend one more time. Yes, it's pushing over. I'll try to take a first trim here. $107 is the area I want. Like 110 will look 111. Oh, sorry, I drew this backwards. This is a short position right here. Problem is we have a few minutes until that we could probably flip long later. Do want to watch this previous day high right here. What is that, 134, 135? We'll try a trim. All right, so I have trim set at right here, 153-ish, 135, and full target, I'm gonna put it at like I got 111. Right there. That's what I'm looking for. We'll see what happens. What I don't like is this first hour probably needs to take the highs first. We'll see what happens. Still don't have that, but everything else is going to be bullish today, as far as closing green and all that. I hate these contract rolls because I sit here and like measure stuff out on both contracts. If it holds right here, it's not good. Yeah, we'll have to see, because if I look at the, and this could easily just keep going. It may be too early. We'll see what happens here. So Iran is asked, according to sources, Iran asked Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and Oman to ask Trump to press Israel to agree to an immediate ceasefire. Israel military, we are continuing to strike military targets in central Iran. G7. Yeah, I think this is going to continue higher and go stop me out. This looks like it's going to push right here again. 535 on QQQ. All right, here comes our first hour. If we get this close, an immediate break, it'll make me feel better because we've already got the IB taken out. You know, that IB needs to break the upper side. Uh, 15 seconds. Let's see if it just like it just does like this, and boom. That's what I hope. We're still just very overextended. We haven't touched the MA9 all morning. Really, since it ripped, I didn't even pull back to it. All right, right there at the top of my zone. A small add. There was our first hour. We did break on InQ. Took a little add. Broke on QQQ. We broke on SPY. All right, so the IB has broke the upside. That tells us a few things, but we can at least target a pullback now to here. What's InQ look like? 155. All right, so I hate this stupid contract thing. So the short looks for 170. If it pushes right here, it's just gonna go stop me out. We need to pull back to here, here. I don't even think we're gonna get this anymore. Look at that, to the tick right here. Uh, boys. So we've already broken out. This is already taken care of. All this is bullish. I mean, the only thing to look for is a pullback here to try to long down here. Find support to long off of. I mean, you got to have a red candle somewhere to get long. I mean, now you have a red candle in the 5 minute. We're over the levels I wanted to kind of not push over. So we'll see what happens here. I do think we'll pull back soon, but how far? Do not know. They move up my first trim to 175. Somewhere in here is my average. $187 is my average on the new contract. 188, somewhere in here. It's probably going to shoot up and then come down. Usually it doesn't just like stall out like this. It usually goes and grabs some kind of liquidity. And 60, I don't really see much of anything on either side of the book map. This is a confusing time. Here we go. Come on. Give me a red candle. Oil's now down 4%. Take my first trim at 10 points just so I know this is a counter trend, and I added. Let's get there. I'm not there yet, but we gotta get there. I need to see this new chart. Yeah, I want to trim here at 174, 175. That zone's looking good though. If we get back under it. Just trading anything? Some of you are probably buying this dip. Microsoft's still super strong. Everything's still super strong. Apple's got a little interesting stuff going on. Wow, Walmart big down candle and Costco. Netflix big down candle. Tesla's popping up. This is my main target. So I'm going to trim here to de-risk 177. And then I'm going to trim 154 pretty heavy. We're in it. Iran telling everyone in Tel Aviv to leave. It's not de-escalation. Come on, let's get this first trim out of the way. Yeah, like 51-ish if you're in the new contract, 52. I'm sorry, the current contract. Boy, slow trading morning. No news. We have Powell on Thursday or on Wednesday, and we have a Bobby. And I ran so far away. Oh, they're buying it up right off the MA9. I was hoping to get a trim right there. Wait, I missed my trim by like a point. Not even, like 3 ticks. 1 tick. Oh my god. Well, that happens. IWM just made a new high. Reuters is reporting something. I'm waiting to hear it on the squawker. Everything looks good. This probably goes higher. Whoa. Might have got a little liquidity grab on the new contract. Oh, it was on M&Q only. Interesting. $60.50 on EX is a big one. We're at SPX 60.50. There we go. We need a down count prayer. Come on down. This 30-minute orb high. I'm not moving my trims or my risk if I'm set. Whatever. We're just hanging out. See if something happens. What is going on? Is AMD have some news or something? What is this? What is AMD here? Gosh, HIMS, 9% move on HIMS. I do like this 15-minute candle if it can come down. And we'll get this. The statistics say it's like 60 something percent down here. 67%. 67% says we come back to here. Right here. 155. I don't want this candle to go higher. Oh, boring morning. Looks like it's just trying to fly. Yeah, to roll. IWM is non-stop. Meta just got a down candle. The video is pushing back up now off of D-Well. Amazon's pushing up. Where's Tesla? Tesla's coming down. Google just made a new high. Large blast hit Western to run. Well, headline would definitely help right now. There, I finally got my first Trump. All right, I had to de-risk there, but I need a push down to here. What's that? Another 20, like a 25-point pull right here is what I need. It's a slow mover. Only thing I have is this right here. The only good setup I have. 67% chance. I'd probably take 2 trims right there, honestly. I am actually going to do that. If I trimmed a quarter, I'm going to trim a half, like 2 more quarters right here, because this is counter trend. And then that last piece I'll see if it'll come down here somewhere. Or I could just take my couple $100 here and run. Come on, just pull it. Pull it one time for us. Something's going on with healthcare stocks. This is a pretty good looking candle here if you're looking to buy a dip. I don't like it, but damn, look at UHS, Universal Health Services. Big old down candle. All right. Preferably a rejection right here, but worst case scenario, we don't want it back over 200. Because that would make this into a little flaggy flag. Yeah. I don't like the look of this. NVIDIA new high. A headline here that says reports suggesting that the EU accepts a US tariff of 10% are speculative and do not reflect the current state of discussions. Come on, flip this candle back green. Let's see what happens here. Yes, getting the candle I want. I need NQ to get it too. "15 minutes, still valid." Where? Goodness gracious. Yeah, well, we need down to here. They're still holding this. Yeah, 151. And I have I have a trim sitting here at 156 and 152. Nvidia. Come on, flush this thing. Flush it. Somebody hit the flusher. Still holding. Nvidia's in a breakout now. That doesn't help us. And Nvidia's got room too. What's Apple doing? Oh, Broadcom just ripped. Amazon ripped. So weird. You have a weird mixed bag. You have Broadcom ripping. You have Amazon ripping. Apple's coming down. It just made a new high. Nvidia's in breakout mode. Tesla's coming down though. Apple's coming down. Walmart, Costco coming down. It's really like only semis. Semis and maybe Amazon. Why is ES is diverging? Should have shorted ES too. I don't like how this is diverging. NQ is trying to diverge from ES. IWM being pulled too. Why? I don't know, guys. Should I just apologize for the market just being boring today? Just glad I came into the day with some profit to deal with. Otherwise, this would have been a just brutal morning to do absolutely nothing. Why did ES want to do this and Q has to push? Look, ES is going to play out to the level right here that I need. And here we go, trying to get a new high. Freaking NQ. Yeah, NQ looks like it just wants to go here. But we'll see what happens. Should have shown ES instead. Would have been doing a lot better. Yeah, SMH semis are just too strong for them. Like IWM and the Dow are coming down. Should have been short freaking ES. And look at these. I mean, so here, look what's going on. You have the video of the big push, Broadcom with a huge push, Amazon pushing. You got Apple not looking great, Costco, which is weighted in the top 10 of NASDAQ. Google's fine. Meta's just chilling. Microsoft's flagging above previous day high. Netflix not doing anything. Tesla's all over the place. This is looking like a trade that I should just cut. Somehow I didn't get stopped out. It's 22,000 on the old contract right there. I'm just sitting there wondering, like, what news are we going to get on semis? Lower high, new high though. I think it's going to go take me. I just give it like a few points. The two contracts are moving so differently. And this is starting to look like a little flag breakout here. Yeah. I mean, it's tough because like everything is bullish, but we've had no pullback at all. Certainly looks like a. This looks like we're about to just fly. Would the other names start to try to push with it, or are we? Oh, Amazon. Now we're taking turns looking at Amazon now. Google new high. We're pretty much invalidated here, but I mean, what's the point of taking it off here versus 10 points higher or whatever? I'll just sit in it. I mean, the data is super bullish. Chips, semis are still bullish. The only thing I have is this area. We did break over this. Boy, slow stream this morning. I mean, all that rippy action took place at the beginning. I wasn't in on it. And since then, we just stalled out here in the same area. Slightly higher high. ES and SPY not at higher high. Did I get stopped out yet? No? Probably right now. Still alive. Iran is ready to deliver major blow to Israel. Just when they suck you in. Not me, though. Rush it. Rock it. There we go. Come on. That Iran news is just now hitting the wires. All right, well, we're gonna stick out this for a little bit longer. Let's see if we can get a trim down here. There we go. Come on. Pull the plug. Oh, man. Come on. Where's NDX? Yeah. Look, SPX 6050. Same trade I've been in this whole time. This right here. This is your 67% chance probability from Edgeful. There, I'll go to NQ for you guys. Right here, 67% chance that you come back to the 25% level. What does that look like? It looks like this right here. I'm gonna give this about a 30-point flusher right here. All right, well, I really want to sit in this. I'm just gonna sit in the same trade. I guess I could sit here for a few more minutes in case it pulls on this candle. But yeah, about to get to the end of my time here because I gotta get some other stuff done. They're still buying Nvidia up. They're still buying Microsoft. Trump is live. Trump is speaking live right now. There goes Apple falling. Maybe some of these other things to cool off. What in the world? It's so mixed. Yeah, it's holding. Oh. You're gonna get Trump headlines too, so just be careful here. We're just gonna lean on this. Just needed one of these headlines should make this play out quickly. Six green hourly candles in a row. Surely we get a pullback. It may be a pullback to go long, but all I cared about is pullback. All right, team. I've got to jump here. 10 minutes over my time. I try to hang out for the rest of this trade, but the same idea. This area pull back. Pull back down here somewhere. $40 points lower. We'll hang in here. Let it play out. My risk is set. I'll watch that 22K. If it goes and tosses me out, comes back under, I'll probably just re-enter and take the same. I mean, the trade's still valid. I just got to manage the risk along the way. All right, everyone. Be back on Friday. I'll be on Spaces all day, of course. Be in Discord, all of the above. And we're just going to look for this. It's the only setup I have. And once this plays out, everything's bullish, so it probably looks like a buy the dip. I don't know. I really don't have a SPY basically played it out there. QQQ is still way too strong. If anything, should have shorted the weaker asset, which didn't happen until later, but I didn't know that SMH was going to just start ripping out of nowhere. So now the quantum names are ripping. Like it's a weird day. It's a good day to take it easy. So we'll see. Appreciate y'all hanging out. Slow day. Trump's done speaking. All right, Trump's done. I'm out. We'll see what happens. We'll see everyone on Friday for the stream. You guys know where to find me other than that. Hope you guys have a great day. Take it easy. Thursday holiday, J Powell on Wednesday. Quad witching on Friday. Could be a choppy back and forth kind of wanky type of week here. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys. I'm out. Appreciate you guys. Shout out Edgeful, Wolf Financial, of course, both of them. You guys know how I feel. Appreciate the regulars chilling with me. Slow morning. Slow morning. All right. Later.